Hello, my name is Luke Lagnice, and this is my community service final project. For my community service project, I volunteered with my church, the Summit Church, which has 12 different locations around the triangle. The one pictured is the one I attend, Capitol Hills, which also happens to be the main broadcast campus. The mission of the Summit Church is to love God, love each other, and love our world. This is something I greatly believe in as well, and is a major reason why I chose them as my community service organization. So for my SWOT analysis, some strengths that I found of the Summit social media was that they had a large following on social media. The social media pages were frequently updated, and that they were very well utilized for announcements. Some weaknesses were that they didn't very heavily promote the social media page like in church. They don't really use it for much other than announcements, and they don't promote things outside the church. Like basically all of the announcements that they give are just things that are directly church announcements. Some opportunities could be to promote events that they support but aren't directly the Summit's events, aren't directly things that are happening at the Summit. And some threats that there's a lot of churches in this area, and some of them are more openly active in the community. So for my Twitter post, I chose to promote 4,000 steps because it's something that many people at the church that I've talked to want to promote it, but the social media team doesn't really promote it. And it also attacks a weakness that I pointed out, because it's an event that they sponsor. They partner with Human Coalition and they fund it financially, but it's not directly theirs because 4,000 Steps is run by Human Coalition. So it's something that they should be promoting, but they haven't really promoted it much. And for my Instagram post, I chose to stay consistent with the Twitter post and keep the caption the same, keep the information the same, because consistency is key in an effective social media campaign. Because some people will only see the Instagram or some people will only see the Twitter, and not everyone's going to see both. So it's important to make sure that everyone is getting the same message and getting the same information. So in summation, my experience serving with the Summit Church was a very good experience. There was three main things that I got out of it. One was just a great experience. I was able to grow in my ability to talk to people and my ability to do different jobs that I might not have ever done before. Secondly, I made a lot of good connections. I know a lot of people now that run the church or run the service part of the church that I wouldn't have known if I hadn't done this, and I can use them as references or just to help me in future endeavors. And finally, I made great relationships with people. I met new people. I got to speak with a lot of people, and I made some friends, and that is a great positive to anything that you ever do. So it was overall a very good experience, and I'm very glad that I was able to do it.